We're going to do a video about testing wire terminals and connections. So this is the multimeter, and I've got the multimeter set to the continuity. It's basically test to see that the wires are making circuit. So when you touch the probes together, the multimeter will beep. So what I'm testing is I've got a connection there. I've done a terminal, then I've got wire joins there, and then I've also got connection plug I've done there for these lights, and connection plug there. So to see that the wires are all making connection before we put it together, what I'm going to do to test that terminal there and all the connections to it, which is the black wire, if we touch the probe to there, we can see the multimeter beeps, and then if we touch this other one to there, you can see that the multimeter beeps. And now to test the red terminals, you can just connect it up to that, and then once you touch there, the multimeter beeps. You touch the other light, the multimeter beeps. So it's the best way to check to see that all your wires and terminals are connecting.